Why would you fight for love?
The girl done switched it up on the phone. What? Yeah. Y'all not ready. You not ready. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. What? We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Woo! I got 2 more units, y'all. Roll today. Let's see what these look like, because I'm so hyped about what these are gonna look like. I just, I don't know. Let's see. Skirt. No, thank you, AJ, okay? So I got both my babies. I'm excited, y'all. Y'all ready to go. She gave me, this time, one of the little headband thingies and an extra band just in case I need to hook it up, sis. Thanks, AJ. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to try these on. If you're excited, stay tuned. And no, I did not forget about the TK and money challenge. My thing with that is, like, I don't like to be like flossing money and stuff on the internet. Even though I said I would show y'all, I'm definitely gonna show y'all, but just know that I did what I was supposed to do, so I hope you did what you were supposed to do. And that's still going on. It's not gonna stop. So yeah, if y'all are still interested in the TK and money challenge, let's get it popping. Wow.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows, and I can feel your body.
Now, y'all, this is definitely something different for me. It's bomb. The way that the hair is like laying, oh my goodness. Now for me, a different color is a little bit extreme, but I'm liking how this looks on my skin. It's definitely pumpkin pie, I could say that. But the hair feels freaking great. Like, the fit of it is snug. Y'all wasn't expecting to see me in nothing like this though, right? Me either. But I feel like if my makeup and stuff is done, like just bomb, oh my gosh. This wig is a killer. But it looks good. The hair feels good. The fit feels really good. Like I said, definitely something different for your girl. But I do like it. I like it. Different's good. Different's good. Now later down the road, honestly, I might end up like dyeing the orange into like a different color, because I feel like this is really bold. But it doesn't look bad, you know what I mean? Because some people, like, they'll put on a wig and it'll look like clownish, but I like it. Y'all don't think I look clownish, right? I like this a lot. Hey. So y'all also have to understand that I am not the wig connoisseur. I am not the wig genius. I'm not the wig guru. None of that. So wearing wigs like this is definitely new for me. But this is different and I like it. Like, and this is what it looks like without the lace. I feel like if I had a flatter foundation underneath, it wouldn't look, to me it looks bulky. I'm sure y'all can see, like right here, I have my hair in 2 braids, but the fit is definitely snug enough. The length is definitely bomb enough. The curls popping. I like it, y'all, but I feel like I'd have to like dress up real like super fancy for me to rock something like this, just because like I can't just put it on and it just be like without me going somewhere, if that makes any sense. So I feel like I'd have to kind of get myself together and then I can go out with this wig. So I'm gonna tweak it a little bit more, if that makes any sense. Probably make the baby hairs right here a little less, because it just looks like I slapped some gel on here and tried to call it a day. But I'm learning as I go, so keep your negative comments to yourself. If you have some tips to help you, girl, that would be great. Let me see if I could look the part a little bit. Let's see. You know, just like little things, like just tweaking it a little bit to make it look cuter, all that stuff. I like the density of the hair, like all that stuff is great. It feels real good. Where's my comb? Like I feel like for me to like be able to like part it and stuff and do just stuff like that, I would need to like pluck it a little bit more, just a little bit though, so that it looks a little bit more natural. It really does fit super snug, which is what I like. Just feels great. But my girl done did it again. She done did it again. And it smells good. I don't know, AJ, if this is your perfume or whatever you used on it, but it smells delightful. It smells really good. I don't know, y'all. Let me pull this down a little bit. It looks like I got like a 7 head going on. Like I feel like I would pluck it just a tiny bit more, just to make it look a little bit more natural. But other than that, like we're Gucci, guys. We're Gucci. Hopefully it's not coming off like too wiggy on here. Yeah, like I feel like if I had a flatter foundation, it's pretty legit, y'all. I love these wigs. Probably would need to curl this side a little bit more. Just the baby was traveling. But y'all, let me know in the comments what you think. If wigs are for me, wigs are not for me. I think I'm gonna join the wig gang, y'all. But these things are a pretty penny. They ain't no joke. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some tweaking, but let me know again what you guys think in the comment section below. Her wigs are just great, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. And again, don't forget to put your money away for the TKM Money Challenge. It's going to continue on throughout. Let's just end the year 2019 with money in our bank. How about that? Hopefully you guys are actually doing the challenge. Because y'all ain't cooperating. Royalty Made, and I need y'all to step your cookies up and cooperate a little bit. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.